Thank you, Chen. Good afternoon. We're focused on silver and gold exploration and hopefully soon production, mostly in Mexico right now. We also have a new drill project drilling now in Nevada on an interesting low sulfidation epithermal vein project close to the old AMX sleeper mine. We're excited about that. Results will be coming in here in the next couple of months. I'm not going to talk much about that at all today. I'm going to focus on Mexico. And we also have a very significant asset in Argentina that we're about to announce a partner for and probably be toward the end of the month to carry that forward. So we're a silver company, not a gold company, based in Golden, Colorado, thus the name. And we plan to increase shareholder value by going back into production, basically. The Velardania mine that we acquired in 2011 has had some difficulties. We see how to take it forward now. We're in progress in a PEA update. We should have that out in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So our principal strategy is to advance the Velardania properties. It looks like a very interesting project now with the update. Also, we have our other exploration portfolio and pipeline in Mexico down the road. So why invest in golden minerals? And there's a couple of distinct reasons. Here we have revenue. Most companies our size don't. We've been leasing our Oxide mill to Hecla since 2015. They've been producing from their San Sebastian mine. It's been a very interesting and very good relationship, which has been bringing us about $5 million a year. This year, $3 to $4 million. The lease ends this year, and we're getting ready to process our own material through that mill from a nearby deposit, the Rodale gold deposit, and we're developing a PEA on that, which should be out in the next couple of months. That'll give us bridge funding, I think, and get us along the way to getting Velardania into production after. We have resources, about 80 million silver equivalent ounces in measured and indicated, and about just under 40 million silver equivalent ounces in inferred. So if you add them up and you look at our share structure, that's over an ounce silver equivalent in the ground per share of gold minerals. We closed at 20 cents on the NYSE US on Friday, down sharply on a very bad trading week for us, but we expect to recover, and that's great value with silver still at $17 an ounce. We have value proven in PEAs have been published on El Quevar in Argentina, nearly 50 million NPV, high-grade silver underground deposit. It looks very interesting. Argentina's got some troubles. We're going to have partners move that forward for us so we can invest our money elsewhere in the short term. Another PEA in Mexico, Santa Maria mine, we've optioned out to a smaller company, Magellan Gold. It's more their size. They can take it forward. That gives us a cash flow stream. The Velardania mine is the one that is really going to make a difference to the company. And this time, we know how to do it, and I'm going to explain a bit about that as we go forward. We have a considerable pipeline in addition, cash in the bank, just under $5 million at the close of the year, and very experienced management. I'm a geologist, 40 years in the business, lots of million-ounce discoveries under the belt, and our staff is technically very strong. A bit on the structure, share structure. There's just about 108 million shares outstanding. We have about 5% overall management and director ownership. We're in a good position to move forward. Strong shareholder base. Private equity group, Sentient out of Australia, has just under 40%. Other institutionals, about a half, and the rest float. So our projects here in central Mexico, especially want to draw your attention to the Velardania project. This is on the main highway between Torreon and Durango. It's right across the highway from Pinoli's 8,000 ton per day zinc operation. Easy access. It's built, 2 mills, underground mine in place. It's been on care and maintenance. Well, we figured out what to do with it. We now know what to do. based on some recent metallurgical test results using bio-oxidation to get the value out of the pyrite concentrate stream. Also, I'd like to show where the Rodale deposit is, about 90 kilometers away. Trucking distance to the Velardania mills. It's a open pitable, small but high-grade gold deposit, low strip ratio, about 3 grams per ton. And we think we can get a higher grade core and make considerable money trucking it to Velardania to process. Overview of Velardania itself. This is a district that's been around for a long time, historically produced by ASARCO at the turn of the 19th century, and we've had it since 2011. The updated PEA is going to consider a bio-oxidation process, which we have test results that show exceedingly good recoveries of gold from the pyrite arsenopyrite concentrate after bio-oxidation. 91 plus 90% recovery of silver and gold, and it works exceedingly well. You can see that the resource is high grade, over 300 grams per ton silver, and just under 5 grams per ton gold. So an equivalent silver value close to 700 grams per ton. These are 1 meter veins, underground mineable, but at those grades, easy to go forward. A bit about bio-oxidation, if you don't know much about it. It's been around for quite some time, over 30 years. There's 7 operations in the world today still. And it uses basically microbes, bacteria, to oxidize sulfides and then allow you to do a cyanide extraction. There's been 25 million ounces of gold produced using biox in the world. And Velardania would be a small size compared to the Kirkland Lake gold plant shown here. That's a 200 ton per day plant. It's a series of tanks open to the air. Ours would be about a quarter that size, and it's a fairly simple flow sheet. This is proven technology. It's not that expensive, and we're planning to use that at Velardania to get the value from the pyrite concentrate. Here's an aerial picture of our oxide plant where we would install the biox facility. Now, this is built, it's functioning. This is one that's been running. We've been running it for Hecla over the past 3 or 4 years. And this is where we would also produce a Rodale gold here. So that PEA for Rodale will be coming in here in the next couple of months. Catalyst for 2020, the PEA from Velardania is key, and we'll have that here before the end of March, I'm promised, and so I'm holding our engineering company to that. KVAR, we expect to be able to announce a partner to take that forward so we don't have to spend our money there. Sand Canyon, that's the drilling project in Nevada. We'll have results from that drilling sometime in the next couple of months. Santa Maria, that option, we expect to go forward. That gives us additional cash to work with. And Rodale, we're getting ready to permit for mining, and we'll have a PEA update here in the next couple of months. Yoquivo is another district in Mexico ready to drill. As soon as we have the funds, we'll go after it. It's a epithermal vein district in the lower part of the High Sierra. Thank you very much.